Hi everyone, it's Mansi from Mansi Makes, and today I'm painting my favorite fruit, which happens to be a pear. Because I was so encouraged by the palette knife painting that I did on my gel plate, I decided I would actually take a paintbrush and paint something more realistic this time, or at least try to. So this is my brave attempt at trying to paint a realistic pear. If I was in art school, I probably would have failed this class, but I am not in art school, I'm just having fun, and I encourage you to do the same. Do not worry about how imperfect this is. The process is what's important. So I was freaking out when I applied that top layer of white paint on my painting because I had no idea if when I pulled, the pear would even show. But thankfully it did. And so that encouraged me to try another one. And I really like this magenta-ish, reddish version of my pear. Much better. Especially since I was more confident in my brush strokes because I had done one or two more of these pears earlier. And also I realized I don't need to spend that much time painting it. This is like a 5-minute painting. It doesn't have to be more than that. And I also was brave this time and tried a yellow. So you have to remember the top layer is actually the bottom layer. So what that means is that when you paint your pear, that's going to be your top layer when you pull the print, even though that is your bottom layer when you look at gel plate like this. And just press on the paper and pull it off, and voila! You will be surprised at yourself, and I am very proud of myself for doing this, and I hope that you will try it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.